Are you unsure about how guardianship works? Let me show you. Here's life. Here's when I'm alive and well, and then here's when I'm alive and not so well. And this is what it looks like. There's my person, and there's my estate. The court likes to look at you and divide you up into two things, your person and your estate. And if I'm alive and not so well, and I'm, let's say, mentally incapacitated, and I can't make a decision about my person, about my own health, or about my estate, then someone has to be in charge if I can't be. So the first question is, do I have my healthcare and property powers of attorney in place? Are they updated, etc.? If they are, then my POAs are in charge of this, and they're going to be in charge of my being a fiduciary duty to me, representing me, standing in my shoes for my personal situation, my healthcare, etc., and for my estate, my property. If I don't have these, or if there's a challenge with this, etc., then we've got a problem because we don't know who's in charge. Well, society has figured this out, and they have a plan, and it's called Guardianship Court. What Guardianship Court is where a judge sits and says, we're going to identify a guardianship of the person and a guardian of the estate. So what happens is the court assigns someone to step in the roles of parent or responsible party for the ward of the estate, for the ward. So, which is the person who's incapacitated, who can't make the decision for themselves. Guardianship is a great safety net approach. We can avoid it if we have proper powers of attorney. If you have a guardianship situation, here's what you need. You need a process that's going to be very thorough, very caring, that's going to advocate for the person going through the guardianship, that's going to be great in communicating to the family involved in guardianship. It's a very difficult process for families, and it can be very expensive unless you've got a process that's going to get you through and support you. If you have any questions on guardianship, call us or send us an email. We'll have an assessment, and we'll be able to show you what your options are, what the timeline looks like, what the costs are, and how much you'll save using a process that's designed to support you. Thank you.